Oh boy, we almost dropped them joints, man. This is what we talking about today here, folks. We talking about the Jumpman Jacks. Let's see what color we got on these, man. It's crazy. I don't, yeah. So I didn't think I was gonna hit on these because I can't say I never hit on Travis's because I have. Yeah, but it's been a minute, so definitely haven't hit on any of the Jumpman Jacks, which is a totally new silhouette for Travis Scott. He's not just ripping off a Jordan retro. This is his. Let's read the box tag. We got Jumpman Jack TR trainer, Mucin Black Bright Cactus. Box tag reads as so. These came with a round of stickers, and they are individually wrapped. That seems to be the thing here. The SB Navies came in, they were individually wrapped, or as some of the other YouTubers call them, sandwich wrapped. I'm a little too sophisticated for that to call them sandwich wrapped, but whatever, man. Let's look at these things, man. Ooh, I ain't gonna lie to you. I was actually, you know what? Let's not do that because it's a Travis Scott shoe, man. Is this the most popular colorway? Absolutely not. It's probably number 4 out of the 4 Jumpman Jacks that have been released. Is it different? Yes. Did John Cena wear these on WrestleMania? Yes, he did. Did he wear them the day after WrestleMania? Yes, he did. So these may have a lot of significant value to WWE fans, man, that's out there. That's definitely a John Cena fan. So these are actually for my son. He wanted these, so yeah, we went ahead and scooped them. Didn't think I was gonna hit, but I did anyway. We got 3 extra sets of laces, obviously. That's how we do with Travis. 1, 2, 3, and we got the Mucin laces that's in there. Is this shoe for me? No. Is this shoe for anybody of my age group? I'm not one to tell you that, but I'm gonna just really say this is not this is a young person shoe. This is a YN shoe, if you know what I mean. That's, yeah, and my son's 18, so this is definitely a YN shoe, if you feel what I'm saying. The build quality on these is actually pretty solid. Haven't seen any QA issues or QC issues. I say QA because that's quality assurance, but sometimes Jordan Brand don't be assuring nothing. But yeah, maybe a little glue stain. I don't think it'll be able to pick that up on camera, but it's yeah, you probably won't be able to see that, but it's just so small that you're really not gonna see that on camera. All the seams in here are good. Yeah, the stitching is good. I mean, you're really not gonna get a lot of QC issues anyway with Travis's, obviously. I like the attention to detail on these. It's cool to see a pair of Jumpman Jacks in hand because I've been trying to never hit on these. I mean, they're a trainer, so those 90s vibes. You got the strap here, so yeah, definitely a YN shoe. Let's take a look at the insole. I ain't gonna do too much with these because, again, these ain't for me. Not at all. Not this color. I was actually, if my son didn't want these, I was actually going to get these, and I was gonna take away, I was gonna do basically a delete. I was gonna take all this cactus yellow, and I guess I was gonna go black on those and see exactly how that would look, but my son wants them, so here you go, son. Yeah, let's take a look at the insole. Nothing special going on here, but obviously you're gonna get some a little flair with that, with these Travises. So just like any other pair of Travis Scotts. Yeah, a dope shoe, not a dope colorway. Again, I'm 40 plus, so yeah, I like them. I just don't know if I could rock this colorway. I ain't really into being loud and seen like that. That's not my bag. These YNs be around here, yeah, it sound like that's what it sound like. So I ain't even gonna, oh man, I wasn't supposed to say that. Anyway, y'all feel what I'm saying. So clean shoe, man. Again, wasn't really a lot of, yeah, the only QC issue I seen was that glue stain. No crazy glue smells. Smell like a new shoe. But yeah, folks, here you go, man. The Travis Scott Jumpman Jack in the muslin black and cactus yellow colorway. Hey man, John Cena won WrestleMania in these. I mean, yeah, was it WrestleMania? Yeah, WrestleMania in these, man. So John Cena is the most decorated WWE champion at this point, and he won it in these. So there you go, man. The Jumpman Jacks, John Cena's. I guess we should call them the John Cena's, right? No? All right. That's all I got for these, man. They clean, bro. The colorway just ain't for me. It's a little too loud. So there you go. Drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of these joints, man. Did you go for these? Did you hit? Are you gonna buy on the aftermarket and you see the price goes down-ish a little bit? Let me know down in the comment section, man. I'm your boy Money Matt, bro. I'm gonna get on out of here, bro, and go do something else with the rest of my day. I bid you folks adieu. Peace.